Okay, last step with the prints. I brought it into PS, and now I'm going to create another pattern and fill my sweater. So, here's the thing. I am willing to give you 5 points towards your final grade. Final grade, not this assignment, if you could figure out what is wrong with this scenario right here. Hint, all I'm going to say, summer 25. Email me your answer, and if you get it right, you get 5 points on your final grade. That's pretty amazing. So here we go. I designed my cherry print in AI. I brought it in. So now what do I need to do? I need to select it, right, with my little marquee. Right? And then what? I need to edit, define pattern, name it, okay. Now where did my pattern go? I didn't name a folder. Oh, I wanted to transfall. That's fine. I could change that later because I'm working in different seasons right now, so that's okay. So here's the thing. Now I want to put it into my sweater, right? Hint, summer, sweater, turtleneck. What's wrong with this situation here? Now I'm going to fill my sweater. Why not? Oh wait, because I'm in the wrong one. And of course it's not going to work. Oh, what's the problem here? I forgot to deselect. Right? So I'm going to hit that. I have my pattern. There we go. Now, my cherry pattern is very big, right? So what do I need to do? I'm going to play around with that. Actually, I think it might be kind of cool on a shirt or a dress if it was that big, but I'm going to change it anyway. So what do I need to do? I need to double click on that, right? And change my scale. I'm not going to change it too much. Oof. See what happens with the print? Because we shrunk it down so much that the repeat isn't big enough to repeat. So I'm going to make that a little bigger. That's what we need to be careful. I will work with you guys individually on your collection prints to make sure that doesn't happen. We would just need to make a much bigger print in AI and then bring it in and shrink it down so it fits here. Otherwise, we're going to have to really deal with repeats, and sometimes it could start getting really complicated. But anyway, I think I kind of like that size, so I'm going to leave it as that. And I have all my color chips down at the bottom. That's what I'm looking for, right? I have my original designed print. I have it put into my illustration, and I changed the size. That's what I would like you guys to do. All right? And get those 5 points. Email me your answers. This is a test. Have a great day. Bye.